don't see any bent ones, did you?
Wow.
They all look good.
Fancy.
We got extras in there.
Perfect.
Couldn't find the cylinders they're missing.
They're right here.
Oh, is that what they went to?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I had a cover on, I couldn't see them.
Yeah.
Couldn't see them. Sabotage. Got some dirt out of the crank though.
Sure did. Good thing.
Alright, it's in the way. Just a clean one or a dirty one? One of them. You got one?
Well,
Yep.
okay.
You didn't clean these off yet.
I cleaned them yesterday.
Somebody painted all over them. It's a good thing I taped that off. See all the extra paint we don't need?
Yeah. A lot of wasted paint.
Yep, there you go. That's all I need to clean up. How about this side? Ooh, all on this side. Look at that, we got a lot of it off that time. Look at this. Massive amounts came off. Good. Good thing we taped that all off so we didn't have a massive cleanup to do.
Yes. Good thinking.
How about this one? There's a nick on that one. Yep. Ooh. Well, actually got something this time.
Oh, they're a little thick right there.
Yeah. They're a little carried away. Now, this is exposed, so don't take it off. A lot off that time. There's a lot less buildup on this side. Alright, that's enough cleaning. Get tired.
Alright.
Ew, that's a nasty one. Remember, don't do this on your nice steel bench. It damages the parts.
Oh. Okay.
These expensive Harley parts are being damaged by cleaning my steel bench. I could put them on that nice nasty rubber bench, get rubber marks and dirt all over transferred.
Why would you want to do that?
I don't know, some guy thought I should have done that.
Oh.
Instead of my nice filthy bench here that I fucking eat off of.
Huh. What do you think about what that guy said?
He was right.
Oh, okay.
All commenters are right.
Oh.
See the damage. I broke 2 fins off just doing that.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that fin damage on there.
Terrible.
That powder coated S&S head got damaged by me doing that.
Oh,
That's why you should paint it. See, paint's a lot better than powder coat.
there you go.
Feel better now. Get off my chest.
Alright. As long as you're happy.
Yeah. See the lint coming off my rag?
No.
A little bit, not much.
But I'm blind, so.
It's because these aren't rags. These are plastic towel things.
Thought they were lint for your rags.
No such thing as lint for rags.
Hmm. Somebody lied to me.
They just tell you lint free so that you'll use them on the motor assembly. You know what lint does inside your motor?
Burns.
Huh?
Burns.
No. Collects in the oil galleries and plugs them up.
Really?
Like a fur ball.
Oh. That's fun.
Perfect thing to have in your motor. That. Yeah, real good. Yep. Look at that damage I did. Terrible. Look at the damage I did inside that cylinder. Look at that. That sack cleaner. Look what it did to the bore.
Gross.
Terrible. Oh, I think I scratched it again.
I can tell you're all broken up about this.
Oh, terrible. Barely sleep now.
Yeah.
Terrible. Yeah, dirt coming off there. Clean yet?
Probably. Oh, we should go for one more.
Something went that way.
Huh. Okay.
Lint free.
Lint free.
Well, they're free almost. We'll just do it one more time just for the hell of it.
Okay.
It's still there.
Hmm.
It's not cleaning out. What's up with that? It doesn't come out.
Yeah, I don't think that's going to come out.
Oh. Just trying to wipe it out. That's like almost permanent now, is what you're saying?
Probably. Maybe a few more minutes of honing. Might take it out. But we're not going to go there.
It's got a bigger piston than did that. Look at that one you can't even see where I glued it back on. Where'd I glue it on?
No idea.
Ooh, I chipped the paint right there.
Uh-oh.
Damage. Oh, damage.
I don't know what we're going to do about that.
I don't know. If only we got more paint laying around, I could paint it. They don't make it no more. Outlawed in California.
Hmm.
That's to weld it up when I fixed. That's the old one that I had to refix.
Oh.
See it?
Not
Where
from
that chip mark is almost. Yep. Yeah, he thought those $12 $100 heads he paid for a lot of money. Expensive. When you buy a knucklehead. Pay way more than that. Pay $5K.
Jeez.
Yeah, he thought his stuff was expensive. He doesn't know what expensive is. All right. Look what I found. A set of brand new pistons. Well, brand new to you.
Yeah.
Technically, they don't even brand new to you because it came with the bike. Came with the crank.
Well, there you go.
For a cylinder. It came with the cylinders. Which probably came with the crank because they're late cylinders in late cases. Probably all came out of the same bike. It's low mileage, see, there's almost no carbon in there.
Oh, nice.
There's no front or back, so we're just going to throw it together.
Okay.
Let's see, what kind of clip goes in there? Let me see, what's it look like?
C-clip, maybe.
Oh, it's in around here somewhere.
There's a whole bunch of them in there.
Oh, yeah, right here. Here they are.
Look at that.
Got 3. How many do you want?
4.
We don't need all of them, do we?
Nah.
Okay, 4 of them.
Little duct tape will hold it in.
Now remember, you're not supposed to ever reuse these.
Okay.
So don't ever reuse those.
Don't ever reuse those. Got it.
It didn't fit. It's too big.
Uh-oh.
Damn, I wanted to use that. There's a reason all these are like new. I never use them for anything. They don't fit anything.
What's the problem?
Two small ones again. Okay, these you don't want them to be too small. So what you have to do is you have to make them not so small.
Okay,
See that?
I did.
Pretty difficult to do. Take specialty tools.
And know-how.
A little bigger.
I can't tell.
Can't tell. Too close.
I'll take your word for it.
I can make it bigger. Yeah, look at the center between them.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Ain't going a lot. 50 thou maybe, 60, whatever. I'm making too much bigger. They got to be tight in the hole. They can't be loose. So you gotta make sure they're going to be not loose. Some people say we might be cheap by reusing these.
Oh, I'm sure you'll get at least one comment.
You know, they're probably right.
Hmm.
They could be very well right.
They could be.
They could be. Okay, this does not have a left or right dimple in it. It does have a left or right pin there, but I never remember which one is which. So. I think last time I put this on the left, so this time I put it on the right.
Okay.
So 50-50, you're right.
Yeah.
Okay, this goes in the hole like that.
Okay.
Kind of goes in there where it belongs. I heard it pop. Did you hear it pop?
I did.
Sound like a nice pod to stop. It's probably in there correctly then.
Okay.
Now, one thing you're not supposed to do is ever put those on the top or bottom.
What is that?
I don't know. They say they're supposed to be on the side.
Okay.
Supposed to make them stand better. Something about G-load.
Huh.
So maybe equal force up and down and makes it equal. I don't know. I'm sure there's a really good theory about that out there somewhere. I'm sure somebody will let me know. Sharp side goes out. But that was tight in the hole, wasn't it? It didn't spin freely. Make sure. Oop. You don't go that far. Went too far.
Uh-oh.
Let me fix that. Oh, it appears to be in now.
Yeah. Perfect.
You always take it and you go like this, and we'll get in the hole, dumbass. Go back and forth a little bit. Definitely in the hole, you can hear it. That's free. It's not spinning either. It must be good.
That's good.
It's broken in. I think I'll reuse that.
Okay.
Good. Remember, never reuse those.
Got it.
Never. Never ever.